guys, this is Joy from Zero Waste Tech Limited. Leo tuko hapa at one of our sites to show you our smart bioseptic tank, fully constructed and installed here. Once you install your smart bioseptic tank, you construct a slab. As you can see, this one is very well engineered to help for easier maintenance and inspection. We have our first chamber here. This is the inlet. We have our first chamber, and then we have our second and third chamber. From the third chamber, the water drains into the soak pit, as you can see here, and also we have an inspection cap here for easier inspection into the soak pit. So this is how it looks. We stock both smart bioseptic tank and fiber septic tank in various sizes: 1.4 meter cubic, 2 meter cubic, 2.5 and 3 meter cubic. All sizes available at Zero Waste Tech Limited. You are all welcome. Place your orders today. Bye bye.